If the police here cannot handle Kingston Central, we need a change of leadership. We just need new policing, fresh perspective.
The Central Kingston constituency has a very long history of criminal activities that is said to be inter- and intra-gang related and allegedly politically motivated. Over the years, the security forces have led several operations within the communities, and while there may be successes, rampant criminality persists. Member of Parliament for the constituency Donovan Williams is blasting the security forces, who he says carried out 2 major operations recently.
If it is that the operation, the rationale is that they contemplate that there might be a reprisal, that is police work, I understand. It's police strategy. But you cannot carry out 2 operations here, and then the very next day, the people are shut up. The people are defenseless. You don't protect them. So if you're carrying out an operation to thwart a reprisal or a possible reprisal, then you have to protect the people from the elements who come from outside and attack them. And the boys who are in this attack are not from the community.
He says heightened police presence is needed in the area.
If the police here cannot handle Kingston Central, we need a change of leadership. We just need new policing, fresh perspective, because the police here, they are here for years, but yet still the constituency is like this.
Councillor for the Raytown Division Rosalie Hamilton says after reaching out to warring factions and pleading with them to end the senseless killings, particularly against women, she has been receiving threats.
They was plain to me that some of the women them for dead. They were very plain. Some of the women them for dead and it not done and them not done.
Meanwhile, residents are cowering in fear.
Me a 24-year-old and from living coming till now, first me ever see this misappear wickedness going, nah done.
Robian Williams for